At Hostetter Auctioneers, we want to make the online auction experience the best it can be. And because we know that for some of you, this might be your first time with an online auction, to make things easier, we've created this handy online tutorial video. In this video, we'll show you how to place a bid on an item. First of all, open your internet browser. Type in shauctions.com right up here in the address bar. That'll take you to the Hostetter Auctioneers website, which will come up here shortly. There it is. Okay, now that we're here, well, let's close that extra window right there. Okay, there's a lot to look at, and one of the things you're going to notice is when you scroll down by going over here to the right and pulling the tab down here, yeah, there we go. All the auctions that we currently are involved with will have a little picture, like a thumbnail picture there, and a brief description right here on the home page. So that'll give you a chance to take an overall cursory glance at what's available. Next, click the View Auction tab at the bottom right-hand corner. Immediately, you'll see some important details about the auction. This one says that it ends on June 29th. Then it tells us that the items are located at the Beaver County Airport in Beaver Falls, and that it's an online-only auction. Okay, let's move our cursor over here to the right and drag the page down a little bit for some important auction listing details, including the preview. You can see it right there above my cursor. This tells us it's June 27th from 6 to 9. As we move farther down, amongst other things, removal, July 1st from 4 to 7. Then, down here you'll see that there is a complete listing of all the items up for bid in this particular auction. You can see that there's a lot. Down here at the bottom, there are terms and conditions for the online bidding process. Over here to the right, we can view the bids, so let's click that. Next, it takes us to the office equipment auction. Let's scroll down here. But before we can bid, we have to register for this particular auction. Right there, let's click that. Sign in with your email or username. In this case, I'm soundideasman@yahoo.com. So let's put that in there. Move down to the password box, type in your password. Assuming you've already set up an account with Hostetter Auctioneers, you'll have that information already. And as you can see here, you get your approval and confirmation right away. So we're all set to go. And we've been approved to bid in the process. So let's go back and find our auction. Let's browse the auctions. We're going to go here and click all the auctions like the first home page you saw. We're going to go back and find our office. There it is. But this time let's click View Bids, top right-hand button. Okay. So now we can see the items and the bids that are on them. You can see that up here it's a little bit different. It now has my name and how many bids that I've placed up there. Kind of important here, you can see the current bid, the bid that I've placed, and a place to put in how much you would like to bid. $3, nothing, that one as an example there. Okay, director's chair, $1, let's bid on it. Let's put $2, that means with the buyer's premium, the total cost to me is $2.20. So 2, click place bid, and now we have to accept the conditions and confirm right here. So we're going to go down to the bottom of this page, click that little box, and then submit our bid. Click. Good. Now, we're confirmed. And if you go back up to the top of this page, there we go, you can see there's a little yellow banner there that says we have a maximum of $2 in our bidding, and that we're the high bidder. So we're all set. Hostetter Auctioneers thanks you for your interest in the online auction process. Remember, for more information, you can always call 1-800-875-2437 or simply visit shauctions.com.